In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in Mailchimp and Convertkit. Anchor links are incredibly useful for improving the navigation within your emails, making the experience seamless for your readers, whether you're directing them to specific sections or simply ensuring ease of access to important information. Anchor links can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you've done that, head over to the homepage. This is where all your activities usually commence. From here, move on to the campaigns section. You can find this by navigating through your main menu. It's typically where you'll manage and create your email campaigns. Now, with your campaigns open, find the specific campaign you intend to work on. Once you've identified it, click on Edit. This is the gateway to making modifications to both the content and design of your email. After clicking Edit, the next step involves moving on to Edit Design. You'll usually find this option prominently displayed, allowing you to delve deeper into the customization of your email layout. After arriving at the editing interface, switch your focus to Styles. It's a tab where you can fine-tune the appearance of your email from fonts to colors. Once you're in the Styles section, tap on the Text section. This is where you'll construct the actual content of your email, crafting messages that will resonate with your audience. When you're typing out your content, highlight the specific text you want to be clickable as an anchor link. It's crucial here to ensure that the text is both relevant and easily recognizable to your readers. Once highlighted, you need the button block. By typing button and ensuring you're in the right area, Mailchimp provides a quick access widget to facilitate easy configuration of links. After setting up your button, remember to save your work. The Save button is typically located at the corner of your interface. Saving ensures that none of your hard work is lost unexpectedly. Next, switch focus to adding the actual anchor link. Begin by clicking on the Link option, usually found in the toolbar. After clicking, select Web and modify any preset links to suit your needs. This option allows you to create or adjust any existing URL settings. But since we're aiming for anchor links, click on Anchor. This option is designed for navigating within the same document, making it perfect for our task. Follow this by clicking the confirmation button and proceed to type the specific anchor tag. Once again, save all changes. Make it a habit to regularly save during the editing process. This ensures your configurations, especially the new anchor links, are applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added an anchor link within Mailchimp. With these steps mastered, your emails will now be more navigable and user-friendly, perfectly poised to engage your audience better. Happy emailing!